Oh man, I'm beyond excited to share this recipe with you. These are by far the lightest, most flavorful crepes I've ever made. I'm super excited for this recipe because it doesn't call for any kind of flour substitute. Like coconut flour, almond flour, or carb quick. Like our keto pizza crust, it only calls for eggs and cheese. In this case, cream cheese. So technically, that makes it an omelet. Suffice to say, I am really curious to see how this turns out. The most important step to this recipe is making sure your ingredients are at room temperature. So the first thing I want to do is warm up my pan. In a lot of my recipes, I like to use big fats like butter, coconut oil, or bacon fat. But my ingredients are essentially fats already, so I'm not going to overdo it in the pan. Cream cheese and eggs. It's going to be a little chunky, but it should be fine. The next thing you want to do is sweeten the batter. When it comes to sweetening anything, my number one rule is that you use at least 2 different types of sweeteners. Get a more dynamic flavor, rather than being left with the feeling that something's missing. Today, we're going to be using erythritol and monk fruit. This is pure concentrated monk fruit. A dash of this stuff is equal to spoonfuls of sugar. And this is Swerve, my favorite brand of erythritol. I'm going to go with a heaping spoonful of powdered Swerve. And when it comes to powdered monk fruit, I actually prefer to use a fork. That's how strong this stuff is. I also just decided that I'm going to use lemon. What you're going to want to do is shred it as finely as possible. Because that lemon, oh, that smells good. That lemon is just going to add a little bit of a wow factor to the actual flavor of the crepe. That sweetener alone has no chance. Doesn't take a lot of lemon zest. But you really want to get it chopped as finely as possible. No matter how good it tastes, chewing on lemon peels will ruin the experience. Tastes like custard. The next important step is to let your batter sit so that it thickens. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup. When you're making crepes, you want to make sure that you spread out. Oh yeah, that's chunky. I don't know how that's going to work at all. If you use a lid, not only will it cook more evenly, but it'll make it a lot easier to flip. While these aren't the more perfectly round crepes that I would get with the traditional batter, I have never met a woman who does not like the flavor of crepes. When you go to flip your crepe, use swift, confident movements. Oh, it looks delicious, no? Some whipped cream and berries. Forget about it. Typically make a sweet cream cheese filling, but because these are rich enough already, I'm going to make a whipped cream filling instead. I know, that's so much lighter. For the whipped cream, I'm using Sweet Leaf Sweet Drops Vanilla Creme flavored stevia sweetener. This stuff is fantastic with keto coffee, so I'm naturally excited to see how it's going to taste in whipped cream. I'm going to start with 10 drops. And before I whip the cream, I'm going to see how it tastes first. I'm gonna add 5 more drops. And a touch of monk fruit for that balance that I talked about. That'll work. That's the best part about keto, you know? You don't have to worry about counting calories. Because if you're eating keto properly, there's no way you'll overeat. Fat is super filling. It's just not possible. I was originally going to make a strawberry sauce. These are some of the sweetest strawberries I've had all year. So to counter the richness of the cream and the crepe, I think fresh strawberries and blueberries will work perfectly. Now for the ace up my sleeve, Moser Roth 85% dark chocolate from Aldi. The longer you're on keto, the more sensitive your tongue becomes. And eventually, dark chocolate will go from bitter and chalky to unbelievably rich and satisfying. There you have it, Keto Crepes. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching Keto Crush. Be sure to like and subscribe so I can keep these videos coming.